Hello, teacher. How are you? My name is Anastapia. So this is the result of the survey. Okay, let me show you another flash. Um, the project that is called Teaching English as a Second Language to Illiterate Students. This project has the purpose to establish a correct method to teach English to illiterate students. During the process to find the correct method, I could see that there are not a specific method for teaching, so for that kind of population. However, I found a different method that can improve and can help to the class to teach English to illiterate students. These surveys have the objectives that is know if teachers know the correct method and they haven't been taught to literature students are their abilities and skills that are correct to teaching or and the results indicate that the majority of the teachers never have to teach English to literature students. So, for example, in this image, one of the question was as an English teacher, have you been teaching English for illiterate persons and the frequency? And if we can see the result, just always, just one person, and not rarely, high, and no neighbor force, and just sometimes serious. So that means that the half of the uh, persons that answers that surveys don't teach uh, English to literature persons. The second question was, do you consider that you have the capacity to teach English in a group of a literature person? The majority answered that no, they don't have the experience because it is uncommon that there are institutions and literature students and that we can use a specific method to teach. So for that reasons, the majority of the teachers don't have the experience to teach English to literature students. So that's the idea for the project. The idea is to first to know what is the current method or what is the method that can help us to identify what is the correct teaching. Yes? And another question was, do you consider that the mother language is necessary in the process to teaching English? That was half, 5 to 5, and the six questions in a group of literature person do you think is important to create a bilingual environment or a monolingual environment in English? So the majority answer that the bilingual environment, I think that is the correct answer. If we don't have a core environment, it's going to be difficult that the students to identify or maybe don't learn as we want. Yes, that each student, no matter if they are literature students, the idea is that they feel that they are learning and they are practice and they are catch all that information that is in the environment, that is in the classroom, that is the teacher is explaining. Yes, and try to focus that teaching for to practice and why not to get on a high level. Um, Another question is that if some teachers heard about the CLT method to teach English, and another method was a bilingual method. So just for teachers answered that yes. Another six teachers about the bilingual methods answered the chess. Here's about that. I think that those methods I don't say that is a correct method to teach in which literature students that can help and can guide to that purpose that that kind of students learns in a third way and a second language. So finally, I think that the survey gives me the opportunity to know that as a teacher, we know to have more information about that kind of research, and we can to study more, and we can to have the purpose to search and why not to implement in a good method or strategy to help that kind of population. So thank you, teacher. Bye bye.